Did you just accept a new job in Houston, or are you deciding whether that Houston job offer is really as good as it sounds? Before you calculate how much house you can afford, let's talk about what your salary will actually buy you. Houston has no state individual tax, but your cost of living involves much more than your paycheck. Here are 7 costs people moving to Houston for work often overlook. Number 7 can be a surprise after your first paycheck. I'm Sheila Ochsner, a Katy and Greater Houston realtor, and I help medical and energy professionals locate to Houston with fewer surprises and a better plan. Number 1 is your commute. Houston is not one small dot on a map. Someone working in the Texas Medical Center, downtown Houston, or the Energy Corridor could have 3 completely different home searches. A house may look close to the office when you check the mileage, but Houston traffic does not measure distance in miles. We measure it in podcasts. Check the drive during the hours you will actually be commuting. Your work location and schedule should help determine where you live, not just the house you like online. Number 2 is tolls and parking. In Houston, your commute may come with a cover charge. Toll roads can save time, but daily tolls become part of your monthly budget. Calculate the route you will really drive, not the one your phone shows on a quiet Sunday afternoon. Parking also matters, especially in the Texas Medical Center or downtown. Ask whether your employer includes it, discounts it, or leaves it up to you. Living closer to work does not always mean getting there will be free. Number 3 is property taxes. Texas does not have an individual state income tax, but property taxes are assessed locally and can vary by address. 2 homes with the same sale price can have different monthly payments because they are in different cities, school districts, or special taxing districts. Newer communities may also have MUD taxes. The payment beside the pretty listing photo may not be the payment attached to the actual house. Number 4 is homeowners and flood insurance. Research insurance before you fall in love with a property, not after. You are deciding where the sofa will go. Costs can vary based on the home, roof, claims history, construction, and location. Flood insurance may be required in a high-risk FEMA flood zone. Even when it's not required, understand the property's flood history and get an actual insurance quote. In Houston, it is not required, and I don't need to investigate it are 2 very different sentences. Number 5 is electricity and maintenance. People relocating from more expensive markets are often excited about how much space they can get here. More space is wonderful, but it also means more to cool, clean, furnish, and maintain. Our air conditioners work very hard. In July and August, yours may become the most dependable employee in the household. Consider the HVAC system, energy efficiency, yard, pool, and utility costs before choosing the house. Number 6 is the temporary cost of relocating. You may have temporary housing, storage, travel, pet boarding, a lease to break, or 2 homes at once. You may also need appliances, window coverings, and deposits. These costs do not automatically mean you should rent first or buy immediately. They simply need to be part of the plan so your new job does not begin with a credit card hangover. And number 7 is your relocation package. Do not simply ask HR, what does the company cover? Ask whether benefits are paid directly or reimbursed, whether they are taxable, whether the company provides a tax gross up, and whether you must repay anything if you leave within a certain period. Also, ask about temporary housing, moving services, storage, house hunting trips, closing cost assistance, and whether you must use a particular lender or a real estate company. In 2026, employer-paid moving reimbursements are generally treated as taxable income for non-military employees. A benefit can still be valuable, but covered by the company may not mean free to you. The biggest mistake when moving to Houston for a new job is comparing your salary only to your mortgage payment or rent. Compare the complete lifestyle: housing, taxes, insurance, commuting, tolls, parking, utilities, and employee benefits. A Houston job offer can be an incredible opportunity. Choose a home and a location that let you enjoy it instead of spending half your paycheck and most of your free time getting to work. If you are relocating to Houston for a medical or energy job, comment "Relocating" and tell me where you'll be working. Your exact work location should be one of the first pieces of information used to build your Houston relocation plan. See you next time. Bye.